Good afternoon. My name is Stephen Balfour, CEO and co-founder of StreamLoan. We're a B2B SaaS company, and if you haven't guessed based on our name, we're streamlining the mortgage process. I imagine that some of you have tried to buy a home. It starts with a mortgage, and it is terrible. You have stacks of paper, you sign initial and push around. It lands on the desks of more than 10 different parties for a single transaction. And as a result, it takes your loan 50 days to close. Well, no more. Welcome to StreamLoan, your digital hub for home purchasing. All digital, all collaborative, allowing you to close your loan in as little as 15 days from your phone. StreamLoan's magic is its collaboration platform, which seamlessly connects all of the data and parties to facilitate the mortgage transaction. Lenders are taking notice. An example customer of ours is Altera Home Loans, who processes more than $1.5 billion a year of new home loans. Our lenders pay us a subscription fee and a transaction fee based on total dollars originated. We have over $1.7 million in reoccurring revenue signed today. Our pipeline is strong, over $26 billion of originations in our current pipeline, and that translates to over $7.8 million in reoccurring revenue a year to StreamLoan. We have the right team to win with backgrounds in enterprise software, mobile, and real estate. I've been a part of 2 successful exits, delivering over 20x ROI to our investors. We're a StreamLoan. If you want to participate in one of the largest revolutions for an $11 trillion industry in the US, please come and talk to us. We're StreamLoan. Thank you so much.